Everyone, study I teach nutrition in animals and different kinds of animals on the basis of their food habits like herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, etc. Today we will learn process of nutrition in animals. Animals are heterotrophic animals that obtain their food material by these 5 steps. First is ingestion, second is digestion, third is absorption, and last is assimilation, last is egestion. What is the meaning of ingestion? Ingestion is a process of intake of food material. The organism by that process intake their food material known as ingestion. Different animals obtain their food material in different ways, like cow, buffalo, human, dog, cat. All these animals generally obtain their food material or intake their food material through their mouth. Small organisms like some insects and hummingbirds, they intake their food material by sucking method. They suck nectar of flowers. Some aquatic animals obtain their food material through their aquatic area by filtration method. Second step is digestion. Digestion is a process in which complex insoluble food materials are broken down into very simple and soluble form. This soluble form is easily transported to different cells of our body. Digestion is a complex process in which complex food material is broken down very simpler form. These simpler form are absorbed through cells. Next step is absorption. Absorption occurs after the digestion. In absorption process, the digested food materials are transported to whole parts of the body through blood. First of all, intestinal wall that contain absorptive cell. These intestinal wall absorb digested food material and transported to the blood. These blood transported these digested material to whole cell or whole organs of our body. Next is assimilation. Assimilation is very important. Take care. Assimilation is a process in which absorbed food material is used up by different cells of our body. The process in which absorbed food materials are used by cells for obtaining energy, growth, and repair of dead cells. This process is known as assimilation. Last is egestion. Egestion is a process in which undigested food materials are discharged or removed through parts of living organisms. Egestion is the last step of nutrition in animal. In this process, undigested or waste part of food is thrown out outside part of the animals or other organisms. Next is nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is very simpler organism. It contains only one cell. So amoeba is also known as unicellular organisms. Like advanced animals, amoeba also processes all these 5 steps in their digestion process or in their nutrition process. Amoeba is single-celled organism that contain nucleus, and this fluid is known as cytoplasm. Amoeba also contain a finger-like structure. This finger-like structure is known as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is also in a false feet of amoeba because these pseudopodia are always changeable. They continue change their pseudopodia, or you can say they continue change their shape. When any prey, any food particles or any prey come contact to the body of amoeba, amoeba expand their pseudopodia and cover these food particles. These food particles are engulfed through the pseudopodia and enter into the inside part of amoeba. This process is known as ingestion. This process is ingestion because in this process amoeba engulf these food particle inside their body. Next step is digestion. After engulfing these food particles, amoeba form a vacuole-like structure inside their cytoplasm. This vacuole-like structure is known as food vacuole. These food vacuole contain food particles or small organisms, and food vacuoles secrete digestive juices. These digestive juices start breaking the food particles into simpler form. After engulfing the food material inside the vacuole, the insect or food material digested into simpler form and stored in the food vacuole. After digestion, the food material that are stored in this food vacuole, these food vacuole start transmission of digested material into the cytoplasm. Next step, after digestion, the digested material transmitted into the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm store the digested material, and these digested materials are used by amoeba for growth, repair, and obtaining energy. The process in which amoeba obtain food material for growth, repair, and energy is known as assimilation. After assimilation, the food material that release undigested part or undigested material are start discharging from the surface of the amoeba. Amoeba start discharging to this unwanted food material through their aquatic area. The thrown out of undigested food material is known as digestion. Okay, complete.